Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. Okay, so today we're obviously going to be looking at the IPSY box. They have just sent it to me. Actually, I was going to end my filming for the day, and then my husband brought in the latest IPSY box, and I was like, okay, let's just do an unboxing, and I will throw the makeup products on my face later, and we will do a full review. But let's see what's in the February box, because I am pretty sure that this must be a Valentine's Day theme. I haven't watched any reviews yet or anything, but I am really excited. So I'm just gonna cut the box open and we're going to jump right into the review. If you're new here and you like makeup reviews, skincare reviews, you like lifestyle and all of that, like, please subscribe, because I do a lot of hauls, I do makeup reviews, I do so many different things on this channel, and I try to put up videos as often as possible. So okay, I have it cut. Let us open the box. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Yeah, okay, so I was right. I think this is a Valentine's Day because there's a pink thing in there. I'm so excited to see what I have been sent. Okay, so let's read the card first. So I was actually really looking forward to February because it is my birthday month. It is on the 4th of February, and I was really looking forward to, IPSY and BoxyCharm, because I wanted to see like what they have sent. So this month is February 2023. You are loved. Buy yourself flowers. Wear fragrance that makes you smile. Give yourself a compliment. Created by designer Dime Jones, this month's bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled because self-love is the best love. So I don't necessarily agree with that, but I do think that, looking after yourself is important. This is Valentine's Day, showing the love. And this is what the front says over here. This is what I read out to you just now. And at the back it says IPSY Open Studios. Okay, so treat yourself to whatever brings you the most joy. Okay, so let's just get into it and let's see what they have. So we will go through the cute, adorable sample products over here. As you know, IPSY has different packages, so there's one where you get 5 sample size products. So this is obviously that one, so we will open it. I love this purse, by the way. It's got the cutest heart over here. I absolutely love this. It's so cute. Okay, I'm going to open it and we're going to look at all of the products inside. Okay, today we have something called Cherry Bomb from Pink Lips. So this is one of the sample size products. For Valentine's Day, obviously, yeah, I was expecting something, red or pink. So yeah, that passes my expectations. Okay, now we have Volume Mascara by Dime. I'm really grateful that we keep getting mascaras in IPSY and BoxyCharm, mostly because you're actually supposed to throw your mascara out every 3 months. It's not actually safe to use them, and I never used to do that, but now I think I will probably be doing that. Okay, so I haven't heard of either of these brands, by the way, so I'm not sure if I love them yet. I've never tried these brands either. So the next thing I have is this. It is a Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. Okay, so it's got geranium leaf, bergamot, rosebud. Okay, well, that sounds... smells lovely. It actually smells like rose. That reminds me of India for some reason. Okay, Clinique. This is a sample size. So this is Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Very dry to dry combination. So it's a sample, obviously. And you can see that it's a sample size as well. Let me try this on my hand, because my hand has, I think, gotten sunburned or something. It's really been suffering. It's very dry, and I did want a hand moisturizer. So I don't know if you can see my hand right now, but it's extremely dry. My skin has never been like this before. So I'm just going to try some of that on and see how I feel about it. I hope that this helps, because I think I actually need to moisturize my hands a lot more. I actually moisturize like every day, because like whenever I bathe, I will take out my lotions and everything and put it. But I guess because of my hands are probably getting really dry, because I wash dishes and I do all that kind of thing as well. I'm washing my makeup brushes, so the moisture from them probably just goes out. So I'm just applying that to both my hands. I'm actually really happy about this product because my hands really needed some hydration. So I'm just gonna let that sit. I'm gonna use it as a hand moisturizer because I just need that extra hydration. So that's the 4th product. Okay, next we have Saturday Skin, a sample Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. It's so cute. I wish I had gotten this in full size. Apply after your moisturizer, leave on overnight, maybe use 3 to 5 times a week. So this is another moisture mask, which I'm really happy about because you can never have too many of them. So this is basically what you're going to be getting in your Glam bag. Other people may have gotten different products, so I'd recommend going and checking out like other influencers who also received these things. Okay, so let's come now to the next one. This is the full-size package. Okay, so here we have Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. Oh, yes. Yes, I love this. Okay, close your eyes and spray evenly on cleansed skin, holding the bottle about 6 inches away from your face. Okay, so happy about this because again, it is winter and I need hydration on my face. So I'm really, really happy about this. I'm just going to do a test sniff. Okay, so it doesn't really have like a specific smell, but it seems okay. As long as it's moisturizing, I don't really care. I'm gonna try that and see how that feels and, you know, give you more feedback later. Okay, next we have Queen. What is this? Liquid Dragon Liner Shake Well Before Use, Sweet Pen along the lash line. Oh, I think this is a liquid liner by Queen Cosmetics, if I'm not mistaken. Queen Studio. It's QVEEN. That's interesting. Okay, let's just pull it out. So we have the wax pencil. Oh, okay, so they've given us two. They've given us like a black eyeliner, and I believe that there's also a liquid eyeliner in here. Yeah, so this must be it. So I'm interested in this. We will be doing a makeup look, so please stay tuned. We will be doing that. Let me just show you all the products. Okay, next I think this is a blush or something. What is this? MOTD Blush Dew. Yeah, I was right. See that? Let me open this. So this is in the shade Pink Lace. I've never heard of MOTD, so I don't, wait, let me just open this. Some of these packagings are just so freaking hard to get open, honestly. Like, okay. Oh, how cute. It's kind of got that, it's got this in place to stop it from opening. I mean, I guess that's kind of smart so it doesn't spill all over the place. Okay, so let's just open that. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a pink within a pink. So it looks pretty okay. We'll have to try it to know, you know, how it looks on my skin tone, but it definitely looks like a nice product, and it says UVU only better. Okay. Not the most exciting, you know, bag from IPSY, I would say. There's no product, I think, aside from the moisturizing thing by Clinique that I think was, you know, really something that I thought, yeah, okay, I need this. But again, these are just first impressions, and once I use the products, I may have a different opinion. All right, so now we come to the next thing. This is an eyeshadow palette. It says, do it for the gram. Yeah. I'm not really sure what that means. Oh, bakery. Okay. Beauty Bakery Cosmetics. I think I have seen this. Wait, I think I've seen this in like Marshalls and stuff. They have a lot of these products, and I've personally never really been very attracted to these. So it's a great, okay, now I understand it's the Graham biscuits. Okay. Let me guess, all browns and mattes. Okay. This is the color story for the palette. Honestly, I'm not really that excited by it. I'm actually kind of disappointed that this is what they sent for Valentine's Day. For Valentine's Day, I just don't have Graham biscuits in mind at all. Like, I would have, you know, wanted something more hot, more flowers. I don't know how this really matches the Valentine's Day theme, you know, because it was February, so I'm actually a little disappointed. Like, maybe if they had given this to me for a, you know, like a food themed month or something, I would have been like, okay, that makes sense. But Graham biscuits on Valentine's Day, I'm not sure how that goes. I'm gonna try it out. We will do a look, and then, you know, I will probably be able to give you a better impression of this. But anyway, the palette says, do it for the Graham eyeshadow palette. Will have you begging, give me some more with 12 foil matte and duochrome powered eye cream shades. All right, well, we will definitely test that out, and we will see if I'm begging for more by the time we finish. As I said, you know, sometimes first impressions are always can be wrong. So I'm going to put that palette back in, and we're going to go to the last product. They have sent us a brush, and it's got, you know, 2 rhinestones on it, and it's got hearts all over it. I don't know what brand this is. The brush in itself seems very, like, I don't know what I would use this brush for. I don't really use a lot of brushes in this shape. I guess it's more for highlighter and blush and stuff, but usually I use other brushes for it. So these are the 5 items. To be honest, I'm a little disappointed with the IPSY products at the moment for Valentine's Day, because I was so excited, you know, like I was really excited to see what they were going to be sending over. But we are going to try the products out, and then I will give you my full feedback on it. I just wanted to show you what the products are from the bag. So the message is, self-love is the best love. Is it? Is it really? Because I honestly feel like when I give love to other people, I feel so much more rewarded than just giving to myself all the time. I know this is a general mantra that, you know, we keep hearing again and again, self-love, 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 but quite frankly, I just don't agree with it. It just goes completely against, you know, everything that I believe in. It's not the best love, honestly. I think that when you sacrifice for other people, by the way, I'm not saying that you shouldn't look after yourself. I think it's very important to look after yourself, but it's not the best love. You know, when you have I take messages like this pretty seriously, because when you tell someone that loving yourself is the best love, it's actually really selfish. I mean, I think one of the reasons our generation has so many problems right now is simply because we keep believing things like this. We believe that, oh, I need to only be accountable to myself. I only need to love myself, and other people just don't matter. And I just kind of feel this is sad, especially during the month of Valentine's Day. That's, yeah. I don't know, I can't really relate to this, but if you're someone who relates to this and this is what you believe, I have nothing against you. I mean, I'm just telling you why I don't personally believe it. I just feel like, you know, when you show love to other people, when you give from your heart, when you help other people out, that always touches me in such a different way versus only doing things for myself. It actually starts to become so empty and meaningless when you're only doing things for yourself. And that's just something that I feel, you know, as I've become older and grown older, I love giving to other people. I absolutely love giving to other people. If you're my friend, I would want to give you like everything and more. So yeah, I can't 100% relate to this message, and I just wanted to comment on that. But I understand that this is a makeup subscription, you know, box, and of course they obviously this is in relation to makeup. And that's probably what they mean, because a lot of people are probably buying these bags for themselves. But I don't know, you know, I think maybe something that I would love to have seen is maybe, you know, giving back to other people during Valentine's Day, because honestly, it's just more fulfilling. And that's just, you know, an additional thought that you don't have to agree with. Like I said, it's just how I feel about, you know, the month. I mean, Valentine's Day is about love, and I think love is best when shared. But anyway, enough of my rant. Thank you for joining me for the IPSY unboxing. I will see you soon for my video where I actually use all the products and I give you my full feedback on everything that I have used. But for now, this is, you know, these are some of the products that you know you can expect from IPSY. I hope that you have a wonderful day. I will see you soon for another video, and thank you for joining me for this one. Lots of love. Bye.